2, 1, go. All right, why don't we start over here? Boom.
What's up? My name's Richard Priest. I made my French kiss dish. So what I did is I went to the bakery this morning and got some fresh baguettes and toasted them, made some homemade crostinis, then grilled some sliced apples in some brown sugar and butter, and went ahead and sliced up burrata. Went ahead and put the apple on top of that with a dash of salt and pepper, a sprig of the edible flower and oregano from the garden, and also added a white balsamic drizzle,
Awesome.
on the top of that.
Right on. And remind me again, vegetarian, right? There's no meat in that?
Non-vegetarian. I mean, it's cheese. So.
All right, yeah. If you're vegan, go away. Please, you're at the wrong fucking back. All right. No meat. Okay, hang on. Hi, that's me, and that is me right there. What I have over there, I have a risotto dish with like kind of a blue cheese, like blended together with a little bit of Parmesan. There's like a vegetarian sausage in there, which I think is like soy-based. Rice, and yeah, that's everything. Cool. It's vegetarian, by the way. I'm sorry, by the way, I was not even trying that hard because I actually won the tournament last time, so I got nothing to do. So, y'all don't have to vote for me at all. Yeah, cool. Yeah. Right. Because I'm dope. All right.
Julie and I have just gotten back from our honeymoon in Europe. And so from the Netherlands we brought back Gouda, which you see topping our French onion soup risotto. And from France we've brought back the Frenchness.
Right on. Very tricky because I have a risotto and you've got a better risotto right after me, so noted.
Alright. My name is Renee and I made a crazy cheesecake. It's basically a graham cracker crust with sour cream and cream cheese and sugar, like whipped, and then frozen. And then I topped it with a goat cheese and honey with organic blueberry. Like I make this little frosting and then I topped it with it. So it's messy, but it's gonna be yummy.
Hey, I'm Meredith. I also went with a dessert theme. I made chocolate chip cookie cheesecake bars. It looks. So it's chocolate chip cookie dough, and then cream cheese, eggs, and sugar mixed together, and all put together. Nice. That's it.
I'm Erin. I'm not that fancy. I just did a grilled cheese with some mozzarella, basil, tomato, bacon, and avocado. If you're vegetarian, just pick up the bacon.
By the way, one thing to note too, I don't know if you have 50 hairs, so you might want to split it with somebody.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Okay,
or they're cut in half?
They're cut in half, yeah.
Oh, perfect. Okay, cool.
Hi, I'm Ian. I made.
Yeah.
That's my hype man. I made pancakes. They are Meyer lemon ricotta pancakes, and I made a burrata maple syrup vanilla topping. So I don't know if there's 50 there. So if you get a big one, cut it in half, save some for your friends, and enjoy.
Woo! Yeah.
Hi, I'm Zova, and I made a sauteed spinach with goat cheese, a lot of goat cheese in it. And then there's also scallops, so if everyone could take like a small dollop of the sauteed spinach, you can put the scallop on top or underneath, however you want to. There's extra goat cheese if you want to drizzle some of that on top of that as well.
Unveil.
Hey, so this concoction was made by my beautiful wife, Brenda Ricard. She's so beautiful. You all know the Super Bowl is coming up, and we all love buffalo cheese dip, don't we? Yes. So, this is shredded chicken, blue cheese crumble, Asiago, Manchego, and a couple other amazing Oaxacan cheese. Yeah, which we got from our trip in Oaxaca, right? No, yes we did, man.
Trips around.
So, yeah.
And then just get a chip.
Just get a chip and dip it and love it. And yeah. It's called the Buffalo Wish, and I wish you all well.
Oh yeah. Oh, sorry. Hi guys, I'm over here. My name's Matt. Mine is a take on a chicken parm. So I made this Brazilian cheese bread with panko, Parmesan, Italian herb crusted fried chicken, and it's kind of interactive. So when you take your little slider, you need to put some hot marinara sauce on it, and then enjoy it.
My name is Gina. I made pulled chicken nachos. They're really good. They have all the things that nachos have in them. They're not too spicy. If you're not into jalapenos, they're just on the top, so you can take them off or give them all to Michelle and enjoy.
Yeah, awesome. Cool. And that is it. Oh, here. Oh, wait. Hello. Sorry, where the hell did you guys come from? Shit.
I know, just got here.
All right, yeah,
It's so warm.
Right here.
Oh, I didn't skip you. Shit, my bad. Shit.
My name's Chris. I made pomme aligot, which is like a cheesy potato fondue. It's a classic dish from the south of France. I also made with it roasted garlic confit and Parmesan mashed potato, crostinis. So this is it's like mashed potatoes, but you can see it's actually mostly cheese. It's like, what you want to do is take like a dip of this. If it's like too stringy, you just use your chopstick and kind of pull it off and like wrap it around and put it onto the crostini.
Cool. You're up.
I'm up.
Yeah.
Okay, just got here. Some are going to be baking, but there should be enough for one per person once we get them out of the oven. So they're still warm. They're little brie pockets with organic brie inside phyllo dough, and then on top of the brie is a little bit of cream cheese, cherry jelly with a tiny bit of spice.
Hi everyone, I'm Nicola. I'm Greek, so of course what I had to do was a Greek style branzino topped with olive oil, lemon, olives, and feta cheese. Yeah.
Alrighty. Let me go. All right. Before everybody digs in, I just want to thank everybody who came here and everybody who cooked. Thank you. It's not easy. What am I do with you guys? So, what else do I have to say? Nothing. Oh yeah. In case you don't know.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Happy birthday!
Thank you.